Ultra-Shear's Carbide-Tipped juice groove bits feature a half-inch wide flat-bottomed groove with a small cove at the bottom and a roundover at the top. It's a subtle groove that plays nicely with geometric designs and crazy grain patterns. We make the Carbide-Tipped juice groove bits in 3 profiles. All are 1/2 inch wide and around 3/16 inch deep. The difference is the radius between the sidewall and the bottom, which is available in 1/8 inch, 5/32, and 3/16. While there are lots of different ways to guide your router to cut a juice groove, our favorite is an internal template. A simple piece of 1/4 inch plywood taped down to your board is all the template you need. You can also add extra support outside the groove if you want. We've made a special Porter cable style template guide bushing that's exactly 1 inch in diameter and just under 1/4 inch long. Just keep the template guide bushing against the template and run the router counterclockwise around your board. These bits also work perfectly in gantry CNCs and the Shaper Origin. We manufacture the juice groove bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages. Just great bits at a great price. Ultra-Shear juice groove bits, the perfect way to elevate your cutting board creations. Order yours today. Have an idea for a router bit you would like to see in the Ultra-Shear lineup? Let us know with an email to mailroom@woodpeck.com.